not what this country can do for me, but what I can do for my country. Remember this, when you come here, what you see here, what you hear here, when you leave here, let it stay here or don't come back here. I'm Riley Maragh,
Yes.
and I'm in the tourist industry from as long as 1962, from the 9th day of July. I never left out, always be here. Started 120 Arbor Street, Yellow House Freeport Shop. Then to the waterfront, Ocean Craft. And I'm now here at this location for 53 years. And overall, I am doing about over 60 years in the tourist industry. And I enjoy it very much. I can recall very well the first independence celebration on the 6th day of July, 6th day of August rather, in 1962. And then thereafter, I enjoy every one of those celebrations. This one coming up, I think will be a very large one. Realizing from my customers that they call me and they say to me, all my family are coming for this independence. Many calls I got. So I'm looking forward to a very enjoyable independence celebration. Customers always say to me, they call me Brother Riley, and we are all coming for this independence. And the reason for that, because a lot of people that went away could not get to come before, but they made themselves in a position now to be here this year. And I'm very happy to hear one sing just last week, it is not what the country can do for you, it's what you can do for your country. I was born in Denham Town and grew up there with many people, very well-known people like Bob Marley, Bonnie Grant the boxer, Ken Booth, Gregory Isaac, and all those guys who grew up together at Boys Town. Boys Town, a very famous cricket ground. And I can recall those days when we had Sir Frank Worrell as our captain there. And he did well, exceptionally well, that we won that Senior Cup that year. And we go on and on. We produced in Denham Town two of our best commissioner of police in Mr. Joe Williams and another person who I can't recall the name now. But on the other hand, I enjoy those days. We could walk around all through the night, the days, walking from Ambassador Theatre after Triple Bill Cut and then back down to King Street, where I was born, in the heart of Denham Town. And going along, I can remember Mr. Butch Stewart, very good friend. We work together. I can recall when he brought down the pedals air condition, and we bought just one only to have a testing on it, and it works very well. And so we went on from there to there, and I'm here for so long now that some people say to me, "You call this home?" I said yes. I enjoy being with the visitors, and I enjoy being along with the tourist industry. I get to meet people from all over the world. They come right here, and the shop is well known that they can call me up now and say, Brother Riley, I'm coming to Jamaica next week, and this is what I need for you to get from me. Please have it ready. I say, okay, sir, I will have that ready for you. And I really do enjoy myself in the shop. The COVID situation, we apply all the measures. We make sure sanitizer always be here and all the necessary things for protection. We follow the instructions from the Ministry of Health to keep it going. If it weren't so, then things will be very difficult for us. But today, I am very grateful that I can stand right here and say how grateful I am to be in the shop, and we can keep the doors open. There are bad times and good times, but we always go along with that. With my experience in business, I can recall when we started Yellow House in 1962, on the 9th day of July. That owner man is from India, a very nice gentleman, Mr. Chetani, and his son, Mola Chetani. They treat us so nice, and they showed us business, how to get along. Then when we left and came on our own, we have all the experience there is to start our work. They never really showed us anything wrong. They say, young man, you worked hard for us, and they can see the quality in you. When you go on your own, remember now that without customers, you can't run a business. So you got to treat your customers just the right way. Let them keep coming back. No customer, then the doors will not be open. We are now independent, and we are doing well. It's always said, when you can stand on your own 2 feet and stand very strong, you feel proud of yourself. And I'm hoping to see this country will continue to grow. All we need is peace and love in this country.